Hello everybody. Today we are just showing you this wig that a client brought in for us to revive and kind of wash and condition. She bought this wig from another company. She wanted to save money. How much was this?
$400.
She said she paid $400 for this. This is what they call human hair. A lot of times when you buy human hair from other companies, you have no idea what it actually is. It could be a blend, it could be plastic, but as you can see, this client has only worn this wig for a couple of weeks, and this is what it looks like. So it's $400 wasted. So you definitely get what you pay for. Now, a similar wig, we'll keep talking about this. Show the inside cap construction that she paid $400 for it, and we covered up the name of the company on their tag because we're not here to bash anybody. We just really want to show you what makes the units from Magic Hair Company stand out. So you can see with the construction of this one that it is on a lace cap. There's really only one place here where you can part this unit. The lace does not look natural at all, and by this construction here, you know this wig is not going to last. So maybe this wig will last this client 3 months, if that, and then the hair is going to shed because of the construction. So we deep condition this wig, and we've been combing it out, and this is what happens when you buy over processed, poor quality hair. Yeah, you saved a little bit of money and have only spent $400, but now that $400 is down the drain less than a month later. So really invest in your hair in a better quality piece. A lot of times people ask, well, why is your hair expensive? Because it's good quality hair. You're going to make this investment one time where she could have got a similar unit from Magic Hair Company. Our units are going to last you about 2 years. You can maintain the unit. We offer maintenance services here. Look at how natural our hairline is right there. The knots come pre-bleached. You can change the part in the unit. Show them how we can easily just change this part here and still give you a really, really natural look. Look how natural that is. That is how the unit is going to come to you. The hairline is natural. Everything about this unit is really, really natural and looks really, really great. So this particular unit is a 10-inch wavy unit that is only $425. Now, sometimes the units range. This particular unit is $425. It's a 10-inch wavy unit, but this unit's going to last over 2 years. You take care of it. We have a product line that we'll definitely send you home with. If you have any questions on our hair, wearing the unit, taking the unit off, we'll definitely guide you through that process here. You can contact us by phone. You can come into the store. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7. We're open Saturdays from 11 to 6, and we're open Sundays by appointment only. But we do definitely have the best quality units around. I've been in the industry for almost 10 years now. I've had my store here in Culver City, so when I tell you I know what I'm talking about, I like to consider myself an industry expert because I know what it takes to manufacture a quality wig that's going to last. It's going to look natural. It's going to breathe through your scalp so that way you're not burning up all day. And most importantly, the unit is going to look natural. Let me show you the inside cap construction on my units here. So we have this removable and adjustable black tension band here that sits behind your ears and rests on the nape of your neck. It pulls down that whole front tension. Every single unit from Magic Hair Company will have our Magic Hair Company tag back here. So if it doesn't have the Magic Hair Company tag, it did not come from Magic Hair Company. We also have these 2 adjustable hooks on the side here that you can adjust your unit with. And yeah, so you can just pull those out and adjust those as needed. This is a front lace unit, so as you can see here, see the difference in our front lace and what they sold this lady as front lace? This front lace did not stand a chance of lasting. You can see with the construction that it's very thin and it's not going to last. This is durable. This is going to last you for years. This is a stretch mesh cap here, and then as you can see, all the security. So we have 2 combs on the side here that will set right above your ear. This one sets right at your nape, so when you want to pull your hair up into a ponytail, the back of your unit's not going to lift. And this comb will sit around your crown. We have this beautiful fabric here, which is this, it's the same purpose as if you were to wear a stocking cap underneath, but it's already built into the unit. Let's flip it over and show them that the knots are already pre-bleached and the cap is not transparent. So you really can't see what's going on underneath, even with that cap. So we're gonna put this unit back on this right here, which would show through to black, but it's not going to, because of the cap style and construction of the units here at Magic Hair Company. I really put a lot of detail into the construction and how easy it is to wear the unit, because nobody has time to fool around with trying to style, trying to make their unit look natural. You just want to put it on and go. So it definitely does make a difference in where you get your unit from and the quality of the unit. Yes, some of these units look pretty. Yes, these units look beautiful when they're displayed, but after you wash them or wear them out a little, they might end up looking like this from some other companies. So you definitely are getting what you paid for. Be wary when companies are selling what they say human hair and high quality wigs, because they're not going to last you. Cap construction is important. The material that is used to make the hair, and by material I mean this beautiful hair right here. We do custom coloring in store, so we can always color the unit for you. And yeah, so we'll color the unit for you. We'll make sure that you know how to take it on and off, and we're here to answer any questions for you. We are here. We make the best full lace, front lace, and 360 lace units. We do custom coloring in store, and we do installations as well. So shop with Magic Hair Company if you want the best. I know you guys are tired of buying wigs online or even going to other stores. Just because the unit costs less, a lot of times you're getting what you paid for. So just invest your money in a great piece the first time, and this wig is going to last for years to come. I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, and I am here to make you a custom wig to change your life. Whether you just want a new look, or if you are experiencing any type of hair loss issues, whether it's through chemo, genetics, just life instances, we are here to give you the look of your dreams. Shop with us online at magichaircompany.com, or come into our Culver City store, where you can hand select any of these beautiful wigs that we have right here. We have parking right in the front. We'll install your unit right here, so book your installation appointment with us. And yeah, we'll definitely get you in the wig of your dreams. Whether you're trying to return to an old look or get a new look back, we can custom color that, custom style it, and get you in a great, high quality wig today. And we'll even send you home with the wig head. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. Our phone number is 310-558-0181. Our website is magichaircompany.com. And you can come visit us in store at 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. Shop with us if you want the best. Thank you.